Has anyone ever noticed the clock ting in the background over there? Hey, what's going on people? Tech Jamo. Now, before I go any further, let me give a big shout out to the guys at Banggood for hooking me up for what we're about to have a look at today. Now, just to put things into perspective for you, this little guy over here is the Pixoo by Devoom. It's basically a picture display thing that just shows bare pixel art, shows the time, shows your WhatsApp messages, shows your notifications and stuff like that. And I've had this thing for a minute. I think I got it last Black Friday. It was 30 bar. It's one of them things that you don't really need in life. However, when you have it in the background of your video, just going boom, just doing a Mazzolini while you're talking to the camera, you got that YouTube look, you understand? Anyway, put that thing to the side here because Banggood have hooked man up with the new and improved Pixoo-Max. Let me open this thing. All right. Okay. Pixoo-Max must have a little slimmer design, fam. Already the box that it comes in looks slimmer than the whole Pixoo original, I guess. Okay, so you got some clamps like this, got some clamps like that. It looks like you can put it on like a window or on your back of your car from what I'm hearing. This thing is supposed to be the same thing, but better battery, better display as in more pixels, because I think this one is 16 by 16, whereas this is 32 by 32, so double the resolution. Okay, so this is what we're saying with the outer packaging and that. 1024 mobile app programmable, full RGB LED, fam. All the specs in there, everything, fam. Look at that. People got it on the shop window. People got it on their desk, which is basically what I do with my one over here as well. Fam, the possibilities are endless, innit? Right, let's slide that off. Let's get this off here. Oh, this looks like the Pixoo-Max itself. Yep. Okay, here it come. Damn. That is hella smaller than the original. Look at the thickness of the original compared to this, fam. Damn. Yeah, that's the back of it. Kind of thing. So it looks like you've still got the charge port in the middle, which is the same situation you have on the older model as well. And these almost look like speaker grills, but I'm not sure what's going on there. You've got a little hole in there or something. I think that might be for the kickstand, and you've got a little mounting hole in there as well. But apart from that, nothing much is going on the back. And you've got some stickers under that, obviously. Sticker gang. Hold tight my sticker gang them. We done know. Got some instruction things, indoor and in-car pixel art display. So what they're saying about this thing, guys, is that you can put it in the back of your car, and let's say you're indicating left or indicating right, you can set the thing to indicate left when you're indicating left and set the thing to indicate right when you're indicating right, you understand? But instead of having just like a little dead indicator, you'll have a full motion thing. But I'm not too sure how legal that is, because you're not supposed to be distracting other drivers when you're on the road by having like a TV essentially in the back of your car. So we'll see how it looks, but we'll see how often I'll probably get pulled over. Next in here, we've got, what have we got in here? This must be just some cables and stuff. A nice threaded USB-C cable. Damn, so they even upgraded the cable, whereas on the old Pixoo, it was a micro USB cable. So that looks nice and long, so it should reach from your power source to wherever you want to put this. They do have built-in batteries inside so that they can actually go on for about 12 hours-ish before they run out of battery. So that's all good. If there's a power cut in the middle of the night or something, you'll still have the time to wake up to kind of thing, and your alarm will still work. I don't know what this is. That looks like a little headphone jack. Oh no, it's like a little tripod mount. They got, I don't know if you guys can see that, they got like a little tripod mount in there, and I think I saw one in the top as well, so we're gonna have to see if we can put a little tripod thing in there. But yeah, this is the little kickstand. It looks a bit flimsy, to be honest, but let's see how it does. Does it screw in, or does it just, I think you just force it in. Force it in. All right. I think that's there. Let's see what, oh, okay. Okay, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at the kickstand. The kickstand is doing its thing. I'm not gonna guess it. I didn't think it was gonna do anything, but it's actually doing its thing. Okay, so it looks like we've got a little brightness slider and on button here. Already I can tell, and you guys should be able to tell as well, that is hella brighter than this will ever be. Hella bright. Anyway, let's get connected to the Divroom app and see what's really good. Right. How do I add a device? Add a device. Add device. There we go. Right, so straight away, Pixoo-Max has come up there, so I'm gonna click on that. I'm connected at the moment, but we're getting connected. All right, we're connected now. Changing pixel art size to 32 by 32. Fixed some animation playback problems. Update. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, fam, check out the update animation, fam. They're moving mad. Sending data. Okay, it's sending data. I'll just let that do its thing for a while. Now, guys, you know when there's just too much different animations to choose from? This is what this app suffers from. There's all these Easter Bunny animations. There's like Halloween animations for every occasion of the year, fam. You can either make your own animations, but just to show you, for example, this is how quick it is. Click the animation here, and then, oops, sorry, you can't see it because my phone's in the way. And then it goes there, fam. Does a little bit of loading. Let me click another one there. Boom, you understand? You got the little Easter bunny there. Done know, your little Easter bunny thing. Yeah, no, this is mad, fam. This is mad. I already know how it works. But apparently this one, you can get all your Twitter notifications and stuff like that on it. So let's try that. Okay, you got the little clock there. Damn, that one's kind of sick. It's got 10th Wednesday. It looks kind of hard to see from where I'm standing, but yeah, when you have it far away from you, it looks a lot better, fam. It looks so much bright. This just looks dim now. Oh my gosh. This looks hella dim. There you go. And it's got some of the faces that this one had as well. So if I get this one on... Hold on a second. Let me get this one on the same thing as well. There. Fam, look at the difference. Look at the actual difference. Like, fam, if I take this close to you guys, yeah? So you can see what's going on with the 32 by 32. And the man brings this thing to you with the 16 by 16. It's all Mazzolini. Not that the 16 by 16 is bad, but now next to this, it just doesn't look worth it, fam. Guys, there are just so many different tricks this thing has got up its sleeve, fam. Like, you can design stuff, as I said, animations, you got games on there, pixel coloring, you got music on there, mixer, voice messages that you can leave on there, alarms, sleep mode, planner mode. What does planner mode even do? Let me try and do something. There's bare things to go and do in this thing, fam. Countdown mode. Start a little countdown timer. Hold on, let me connect to this one to show you guys the HD thing, innit? A little Bluetooth thing letting me know that I'm connected. Alright, let's go back to discover more. Fam, as I said, noise meter. Let's go to noise meter, let's see what happens. Alright, so it started noise meter, and as you can see, it's showing me the decibels that are going on. So it's got microphones built in. Mad thing. Weather as well. Oh, it's the weather on here. I thought the weather was going to show up on there. That would have made sense to me. I've seen it show up on this one before, so surely it can show up on this one. I think I have to go to channel. Then if I go to, hey, there we go. There's the weather there. And then you got Wednesday. Okay. And then you got some random pictures and animations that you can show. And guys, there's way too much, fam. Literally. But anyway, this app is free, so you can literally go on this app and see all the different things that are available, and you can see how it looks on this as well. It looks sick. So guys, I've been pre-in this app for a minute now, and I've just found the video game album. So you go into here and there's bare different video games, fam. Bare. See if you can clock some of the video games when I click on them. This one's a bait one. This one's bait. Obviously that's bait. Let me see what else we got. Alright, that's bait, that's bait. It's got the name in it. Bait one, bait one, bait one, bait one, bait one, bait one. What about this one? What about this one? You already know what it is, fam. You already know what it is. They got like Space Invaders here as well. Fam, telling you. I am telling you. Fam, you know they even got games on this thing, fam. Like you go into the game section, there's bare different games at the top. Wait, let me just show you that. Bare different games at the top there, fam. Anyway, guys, that's just been my short little take on the Pixoo-Max and the normal Pixoo original, fam. Both dope little additions to your YouTube setup, content creation setup, just to have in the background. Like, they don't necessarily need to be as close as I have it right here. They just need to be doing their thing in the background. Give people another thing to look at, apart from your ugly mug kind of thing, innit? When you're doing your content creation thing. But yeah, no, big shout out to Banggood again for hooking it up for a review. I will catch you guys in the next one. Links in the description section below if you're trying to cop one for yourself. Done know, bless.